In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the paper size for a layout in AutoCAD. We'll be working in paper space, which is where you control how your drawing looks when it's printed or exported. To begin, switch to the specific layout tab you want to format, such as Layout 1. You will find the tabs along the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Moving into the layout ensures you are adjusting the sheet your viewers or clients will actually see. Next, open the Page Setup Manager. The quickest way is to right-click the active Layout tab and choose Page Setup Manager. This panel is your central hub for print-related settings and is a safe place to preview and change page properties without altering your actual drawing. Geometry. Inside the Page Setup Manager, select the current layout from the list and click Modify. This opens the Page Setup dialog where you'll make all of your key choices. Think of it as the control room for your paper size, printer, and scale. Under Printer or Plotter, pick the device you plan to use. If you are producing a PDF, choose DEG to PDF.PC3. Selecting the correct device is important because the available paper sizes depend on it. The built-in PDF plotter provides a wide range of standard sheet sizes and is reliable for sharing and archiving. Now choose your paper size from the drop-down. Pick the sheet that matches your project's requirements, such as ISO A3 or A4 for metric standards, or Arch D30, 6x20, 4 for common architectural sheets and imperial units. Matching the exact sheet size helps avoid scaling surprises later and ensures your title block and annotations fit as intended. Set your orientation to landscape or portrait to align the long edge of the sheet with your drawing layout. Then set the scale to 1. WON. In paper space, 1. WON is the standard because the sheet is treated as real-world paper size. Any model scaling should be handled inside viewports, not here. So leaving this at 1, WON prevents double scaling and keeps your plotted output accurate. When everything looks correct, click OK to apply the changes. Then close the Page Setup Manager. Your layout view will update immediately to the new sheet size, and you'll see the printable area adjust accordingly. This confirms your settings took effect and that your layout is now aligned with the selected device and paper standard. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.